Hey friends, if you wish to select an entire document, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Here's the thing. One thing is that you can obviously select it all manually till the bottom, but let us assume it is a very huge document, like hundreds of pages. So click anywhere in this page and press Ctrl plus A. This will select the entire document. You can delete it, you can revive it, you can copy it, you can cut it, you can paste it, you can do whatever you want to. But to select that document specifically, you can press Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. Interestingly, on Mac you can use Command plus A, which is a little different, but this is the only way, and I do not know till date of any other method to select an entire document, like any switch or anything. I only know of the shortcut in this matter, and this is good enough. So you can use Ctrl plus A. I'll mention it here. Ctrl plus A. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.